In our previous loadout tutorial, we mentioned how carefully choosing the right weapon is key to success in battle. The G.T.I Gunsmith is available to all operators. Here, you can customize your firearms to match your combat style and unlock their full potential. When modifying a weapon, you'll be working with 12 attributes. Of these, damage, armor penetration, max fire rate, and firing mode are the 4 fixed basic stats. The remaining 8, however, can be modified through customization. Let's take a closer look at these attributes and how they can be modified. First up, range refers to the distance at which a weapon can maintain accuracy and power. Beyond this range, bullets fired from the weapon will drop off, as will the damage dealt to enemies. Changing the barrel can alter this range. The new range will increase or decrease based on the attachment's bonus. Consequently, the weapon's range defines its optimal combat distance. Recoil is one of the factors that impact handling. There's vertical recoil and horizontal recoil. From the introduction screen, we can see that every weapon has its own bullet trajectory. Some guns have heavy horizontal recoil, causing the bullet trajectory to deviate to the sides, making them hard to control. To counter this, you'll need attachments that reduce horizontal recoil, such as foregrips and muzzle attachments. These help to minimize weapon shake while firing, making it easier to control the bullet trajectory. Handling affects aim down sight speed, movement speed while aiming, and sprint fire delay. Typically, stocks, short barrels, and rear grips provide handling bonuses. Conversely, long barrels, suppressors, extended magazines, and scopes will lower handling significantly. As such, when modifying close quarters weapons, operators are advised to prioritize handling. Stability mainly affects weapon shake when aiming down sights, gun sway after firing, and hit flinch. Many attachments are available that can improve stability, so choose wisely. Lower stability increases visual shake, making it harder to maintain precision. In contrast, high stability helps reduce recoil while you're holding your breath. It's important to note that for marksman rifles, the higher the stability, the more effective the weapon will be. Accuracy refers to your shooting accuracy when hip-firing the weapon. This is important for submachine guns and shotguns, which are used in close combat. Lasers can significantly boost accuracy, but remember to turn them off when not in use to avoid revealing your position. Muzzle velocity is the speed of the bullet when it leaves the barrel. For any given weapon, the faster the muzzle velocity, the quicker the bullet hits the target. For some weapons, long barrels can boost muzzle velocity. For marksman rifles and sniper rifles in particular, a higher muzzle velocity makes it easier to hit moving targets at long range. However, remember that long barrels also reduce mobility. That said, some heavy suppressors can boost muzzle velocity while also masking gunshots. Medium suppressors slightly reduce gunshot sounds and eliminate muzzle flash, thus helping operators to stay hidden. In addition, weapon modification goes far beyond simply swapping out attachments. In the G.T.I weapon modification system, most attachment slots allow for a degree of calibration. Calibrating an attachment boosts one attribute at the cost of another. Operators should calibrate attachments according to their own specific combat needs. For example, snipers can calibrate the scope's eye relief and zoom for a more comfortable field of view, making it easier to locate and target enemies. After making modifications at the gunsmith, be sure to save your preferred loadout in the loadout pool so you can quickly apply it later. And feel free to share your loadout with your squad mates so they can learn from your modification experience. All right, operators, that concludes today's gunsmith tutorial. Until next time, good luck out there.